Josh Hazelwood has lauded Mohammad Siraj's skills and passion, comparing him to Virat Kohli. Following a heated exchange with Travis Head during the Test series, Hazelwood calls Siraj the leader of the bowling attack for RCB, highlighting his impressive performances. In a stunning finish at St George's Park, South Africa defeated Sri Lanka by 109 runs, sweeping the Test series to 2-0. Keshav Maharaj's impressive bowling performance secured the win, taking 3 wickets on the final day and helping South Africa move to the top of the World Test Championship standings. Sunil Gavaskar has dismissed concerns over Jasprit Bumrah's workload, insisting he should play all 5 tests against Australia. Despite recent groin issues, Gavaskar believes Bumrah can manage his overs, emphasizing that resting him could hinder India's chances to win. All-rounder Nitish Kumar Reddy has emerged as a key player in the India-Australia Test series, scoring 163 runs at an impressive average of 54.33. Notably, he has hit 6 sixes against fast bowlers, setting a record for Indian batters in Australia. Matthew Hayden has criticised Team India for failing to congratulate Travis Head after his impressive 140 runs in the second Test. He emphasised the need for humility and sportsmanship, urging players to leave past conflicts behind as they prepare for the upcoming match at the Gabba. Michael Clarke has criticised Mohammad Siraj for his excessive LBW appeals during the India-Australia Test series. Clarke demands ICC action, stating Siraj runs off before consulting umpires. Mark Taylor agrees, urging Rohit Sharma and Virat Kohli to address Siraj's behaviour to maintain respect for the game. Sunil Gavaskar predicts Mohammad Siraj will challenge Australian batters with bouncers in Brisbane. Despite struggling against bouncers in the past, Gavaskar believes Siraj will retaliate fiercely, especially after a heated exchange with Travis Head during the previous match. Harbhajan Singh criticised Team India's performance in their 10-wicket loss to Australia, rejecting claims that inexperience with the pink ball was to blame. He emphasised the need for players to adapt and plan better, stating that excuses are unacceptable in international cricket. In an exhilarating first ODI, Sherfane Rutherford's explosive 113 led West Indies to a 5-wicket victory over Bangladesh, finishing with 295-5. Bangladesh set a challenging target of 294, but Rutherford's performance ensured a successful chase with 14 balls to spare. In a heated moment during the Adelaide Test, Mohammad Siraj and Travis Head exchanged words. They later cleared the air, with Siraj taking a fiery send-off. Despite the controversy, Head shone as player of the match, leading Australia to victory.